Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I bring you another very easy and delicious recipe for this Lent season. I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Rinse the fish with cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. Now grab a knife and make some cuts along each side of the fish. You want to make about 3 cuts on each side, and you want them to be about 3/4 of an inch thick. You want the cuts to be thick enough to season the flesh, but without cutting the fish completely. This will allow all the seasonings to get inside of the flesh. Now season the fish with the garlic salt, and you want to season the fish really well, even inside of the cuts that you made. You want to rub the garlic salt really well on all sides and inside of the cuts as well. After that, now season the fish with the lemon pepper, and again make sure to season well on all sides and inside of the cuts as well. And after the fish is well seasoned with the garlic salt and the lemon pepper, now we're going to sprinkle it with the crushed red pepper, and you can add as much pepper as you want. The spiciness of this dish depends on you. And again, make sure to season both sides. And after that, now we're going to add in the lime juice. We're going to squish the limes all over the fish. Add some of the lime juice on both sides. Then marinate the fish like this for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. And then after 30 minutes, now you can cook it. Now we're going to preheat plenty of canola oil or vegetable oil. And you want to preheat it to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the oil is ready, now we're going to fry the fish one at a time. And depending on the size of the fish, we will cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. My fish are kind of small, so I will only cook them for about 3 minutes on each side. And after the first 3 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to continue to fry it on the second side for another 3 more minutes. And once it's ready, drain it to remove the excess oil, and just keep on frying the rest of the fish. And that's about it. Once the fish is ready, now you can serve it. And I'm just going to serve it with a very simple salad of lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. And if you want, you can also serve it with some white rice. And that's about it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!